Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up automations in Monday. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Monday account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Monday? Simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type monday.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Monday. Once you get into the website, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt to sign in using an existing account or sign up by creating a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Monday. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to set up automations in Monday. From your homepage, head over to the left panel of your screen and go ahead and select any project that you're working on. So I have this project here, my first project. I just want to open that up. And here is my board. So this is the project I'm working on. So for me to set automations, I'm just head over here to the top right corner and click on automate. Now I'm gonna see a couple options for me to automate. Now I can use any of this, like basic, I can even use featured, I can use notifications, I can use status change, recurring due dates, and sync. So let's say I want to use notifications, right? And I want to set an automation for when a creation is created. So let's just go all the way down and see all of those options. I just want to choose one of it. So here we go. When an item is created, notify someone. So I'm going to open this up because I want to use it. So let's say when an item is created. All right, when an item is created, what the item is. So I can click on this notify, and here I can type my message. What kind of message do I want to notify? It's like, hey, get to the job right away. Okay, so that's it. And someone would be a team member. It could be me. All right, so when an item is created, so I can even click on this plus icon to add something else, to add let's say a condition. All right, so this is something, or drop down means condition. Oh, okay, let's do this. So when an item is created, and only if, you can click on the drop down. So what column is that going to be? Okay, I'm just going to go the way back. I'm just going to delete this. So when an item is created, then notify Amanda Mac. I'm just going to leave this as a simple automation. So I'm going to click on create automation, and this is definitely going to be automated. But if you want to add more items, just go ahead and click on the plus icon to add more items, to just state your conditions. The automation is divided into three: the trigger, the condition, and the action. So just go ahead and fill out all of those details. So over here you can turn on, or you can even turn off this automation. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you get to your board, you can see that it has been added as part of your board automations. Okay, so I'm just going to go all the way back. Now you can go ahead and choose any of the automations, and you see that that's just definitely going to work. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.